So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can send gift cards to your contacts. Um, so let's start with going to payments on the menu on the left. And then we're going to click on gift cards here at the top menu here. And then we see, of course, you have to have your gift card created. So we have one that's already created in here for us, and we're just going to click on the send button that's right here at the bottom of the gift card that we want to send out. All right, so it's going to take you through a series of steps. With those series of steps, you're going to have the recipient that you want to send it to, and then a message for them, how you're going to send it, and then you can review it before you send it out. So we're going to go through the series of steps. We have our customer that we want to select that we want to send this to. So let's just click, um, we'll choose myself here. And then we have our recipient selected. If you need to change it, just click on the X here. It'll populate when you hover over the downward arrow here. And you can just select whoever you want else to send it to. Then we're going to click on continue down here at the bottom right hand corner. All right, so now we're in the personalization section here. So we can write a message about what we want to send. And then we can also use the suggestions here that are down here at the bottom. So let's just click on the one that says a little something to brighten your day. Enjoy it your way. You can put whatever message you want on here. We'll hit continue. Now, delivery. For the delivery, we have our options here. The gift card value is set at $25. So we're going to select that. The delivery method is just for um, an email. So we can select an email that goes out. We can also select a QR code. The QR code goes out via email. So they have to actually scan the QR code in order to get the gift card. Um, we also have PDF. Text messages isn't ready right now, but we have PDF as well too. So if they have PDF, they can print it out and use gift card that way as well too. We also have a delivery date here of when we want to send this out. So this will be for today, or you can also pick some future dates here when you want this to go out. Okay. So we have that. And then we have the continue button. So we're going to go to step 4. Step 4 is where you can review everything, your method, the message that you want to go out. Make sure that the card details are exactly what you want it to be. And then we have the on the right side what the email looks like when it goes out as well too. So of course we have our terms and conditions. This pulls from when you had originally set up the gift card. That's where the terms and conditions are. And then we have our ABC company. This is just a company, our logo here down at the bottom. How long the gift card is valid for. We have our message that we put in just a few minutes ago on step 2. And then we have our code. Then we have a gift card value here as well too. All right. So once you're complete with that, you'll just hit send gift card and it'll send it out on the date that you have it scheduled to go out for. And then it'll go out to that specific um, email address that's attached to that person. All right. And that's how you send out the gift cards.